What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry, I just finished eating breakfast and it's stuck in my throat. Anyway, we're at the under redevelopment Oakdale Mall, but that's a story for another day. Let's go here to the Oakdale Mall and see what Black Friday traffic looks like, and then we'll go over to the Town Square Mall and check that out as well. Maybe the Target Plaza if I have time, not sure. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. So, not exactly the wall-to-wall traffic I was expecting, but it's looks like a normal mall from the 90s. There's enough people here, you know? Oh, and the Macy's building looks like it got a better board-up job. This really isn't that busy. I mean, it's still like 9:30 or 10 maybe. I don't know. I can't look at my watch right now, but yeah, busier than an average day at the Oakdale Mall, I would say. Let's head up to Center Court and see what's going on up there. All right, we're up in Center Court and they've got their holiday decorations going on. Pretty sure this is where you meet Santa. No reservation, enter here. I didn't know Santa needed reservations. We got the former Bonton covered up with trees and a train. Former jewelry store covered up with wallpaper. Not gonna lie, it's not really that crazy for a Black Friday, but again, it is still early in the day, so take that with a grain of salt, maybe. Oh, I think this used to be, yeah, Aeropostale. I want to say they were in business last time I was here, so that's kind of wild. Alright, so we're in the north end of the mall and it's even more dead up here. There's the skeleton of Burlington. I'd go show you the inside, but I don't feel like walking over there. It's just an empty metal building anyway, right? Yeah, top of this hill near Best Buy is a great place to get a view of the holiday traffic. And while it's very, very busy, I've seen worse. Best Buy is definitely kicking. Alright, we're over here at Target now. McDonald's is McKilling it. And this looks more like a Black Friday crowd up here. Although, you know what they say, Target's like the Walmart for rich people. But yeah, this parking lot's way more crowded. Let's take a quick peek inside and see what's going on. Guess they're expecting a big crowd. All right, that was our quick look around Target. Now we're gonna head down to the Town Square Mall. guys, we're here at the Town Square Mall, and we're gonna go check out Walmart, see how crazy it is inside. Now in past years, they had like rows and rows of fencing you had to go through to get into the store. I don't see that this year. It's busy in here, but it's not like wall-to-wall people. Well, that's really cool. It's like a arcade game you can build and put in your house. So that was my first trip inside a Walmart in probably like 4 or 5 years, because we do online orders now. I'm impressed. They have a lot of self-checkouts now. Like almost both sides of the main entrance are all just self-checkout. Crazy. Well, anyway, that was our quick look at Black Friday in the retail corridors of Binghamton. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and see you next time.